Hello guys, welcome back for another video of service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a battery of a Volkswagen key. This is a Volkswagen 6, but you also have this key for the Volkswagen 5 model. And I'm going to show you how to service or how to replace the battery and how to open this key. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. And if you want to help us by subscribing, you're welcome. And if you like our videos, thumbs up please. Okay. First, this is a 3-button Volkswagen key. Open the key and then you have to use a bit force to take this apart. Like this. You have to pull it out, pull it in. Then you have this part, and the battery is in this part. Also use a bit of force, and then you take this out. You have to take out the battery. It's important to know what battery is inside. And as you can see, it's a CR2032. New battery. Plus side must be down. This is the plus side. This one. Close this. And put this back and it's good to go. Thanks for watching. See you next time with another video. Bye bye.